What do I do?
All right. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we making?
We're making Alfredo.
Awesome. Homemade Alfredo sauce. So we got our butter. Take the, yep, and just got our butter in the pan. We're going to melt that. And we're going to take some cream cheese. We're going to take 2 packs of cream cheese because we have a large family. So we're going to double the recipe. 2 packs of cream cheese. Melt the butter, then we'll put the cream cheese in and melt the cream cheese. So you want to have an adult help you putting the cream cheese in the pan. Hold that there so everybody can see me. Have an adult help you because the butter is hot. So just have an adult help you put that in the pan. Okay, we can switch that. And then once it's in the pan, you just kind of want to stir and break it up.
Can I stir?
Yeah, this is your show. You kind of got to, yep. Break it up.
It's getting softer when I...
Yep, it gets softer.
Because it's probably melting.
So we'll be back after we melt that and turn it. We're going to turn it into a sauce. As you can see, it's starting to get sauce-like. And you're just going to keep stirring. Then we're going to add, again, we're doubling the recipe. So we're going to add 2 packs of the Parmesan cheese and about 2 cups of milk. All right, oh, that looks good. You're doing a great job. And then you add your seasonings to taste.
Until all the clumps are out.
Yep, keep mixing till all the clumps are out. You're doing great. You want to add your Parmesan cheese? Or you want to wait till all the clumps are out?
Wait till all the clumps are out.
Okay, go ahead, keep mixing. And we will return.
Do I put my hand in it?
No, just you can dump the whole bag into the...
Another whole bag?
Yeah. Okay, then you mix. Oh, looking tasty.
Is it going to get thicker?
Once the cheese melts, it's going to get thicker and become a sauce, and then we can add our seasonings. Stir slowly so you don't, yeah, there you go. But it's okay. Sometimes we make messes when we cook. We just clean it up when we're done. Good job moving the pan back.
It is getting thicker.
Yes.
I feel it when I mix it.
Awesome. Wow. And we shall return once it's all melted. So you'll keep stirring it for about 2 or 3 minutes. You don't want to stop stirring because you don't want it to burn on the bottom. So you want to constantly stir. Good job, Leah.
You think
All right, guys. So here's our sauce. Look. Pull a whisk up. Look at how creamy and smooth it is. Awesome. So now we're just going to incorporate our sauce into our cooked pasta. Ooh. And dinner will be ready. So now we have poured our mix over the pasta, and then you just kind of incorporate the pasta. And it will be good to serve this with a side of broccoli. If you want to add some garlic bread to it, you can. Look at that. Oh, man. But we're going to have it with green beans tonight because that's the vegetable we have. So, yes, we're going to have it with fresh green beans. All right, look at that. So smooth and so creamy. And again, we doubled the recipe. So we use 2 things of cream cheese, 2 packs of Parmesan cheese, and 2 cups of milk, the milk of your choice. And we use hemp milk. And I think the Parmesan cheese was 6-ounce packs. So there you have it. Wow, look at that. Oh, looks so creamy and so good. And there's our pot. Look, This is why you want to constantly stir. You see that? No burn on the bottom. Looks delicious, Leah.
It does.
All right. All right, so here we are just sauteing our green beans really quickly. We'd like them to be still crunchy, not too soft. So it's just about a tablespoon of oil in there with some sauteed onions. And now we're just gonna cook them for about 2 or 3 minutes. Again, we like to have still a little crunch to them.
There you go, guys. Our homemade Alfredo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell below.
Oh, it looks so tasty. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.